I searched and still couldn't find what I was looking for. But then I challenged myself. I've never baked from a box before, but this is a special bake. This is a birthday bake. This is a special birthday bake, and look, all I can see are lovely colours. Bake with me while I make this cake, and then we can sing happy birthday. Now, because I'm totally unfamiliar with following instructions, I make up my own as I go. I'm going to have a good read, and I'm going to put everything ready, and then it's time to bake. This is going to be fun. Right, these are the basic ingredients. I need 250 grams of icing sugar and 250 grams of butter. That's to make the buttercream. I need 240 ml of oil. It says sunflower oil, so that's what I've done, but I suppose that other oils will do too, not olive oil. Now we have 4 sachets, and I need 4 eggs. So 1 egg per sachet. Let's get the show on the road. Remember what I said about my own rules? I've just sprayed this. It says to use round cake tins, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use square ones, just because I can. Going well so far. How's that for red? In the oven you go. In the oven you go. Well, that was quite straightforward. 2 out of 3. How long? Bake 160, 11 to 13 minutes. Okay, I'll keep my eye on that. And I think I'll start mixing the green and the blue. That'll be done in no time. Maybe I should do cake boxes more often, because they don't take anywhere near as long. Nah, I still like doing my own. But this one will be yummy too. And how's this for green? Fingers crossed it's going to turn out just like the picture. And into the oven with you as well, blue. Getting there. These two have cooled down. Now just waiting for blue and green. It is looking very interesting. And now for the buttercream. Oh. Yes, this really is blue. And yes, this really is green, but we shall see once we cut the inside. Now, it possibly won't come as a surprise to you, but I've completed the 4 colours. I have, they're right here. Have a look. But I like my own plan. I like to just go against the grain. So I have one of my trusty cookbooks here. Here it is, Edmund's cookbook. And I'm going to add another layer. Melting 50 grams of butter and a tablespoon of golden syrup. Step 1. Put in bowl and add egg and sugar. Half a cup. Sieve 1 cup of flour, tablespoon of cocoa and a teaspoon of baking powder. Add to the wet mixture. Warm 3/4 cup of milk and add or dissolve when warm 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, I've used the same saucepan as I've melted the butter in, and that's what you see floating. Can't do any harm at all, just saves washing the pan. And mix well to a nice smooth mixture. Pour into cake tin and bake. And so, ladies and gentlemen, we have 5 colours for the cake. Let's start. Next is green. The finishing touch. Thank you for inviting me to this wonderful event, and I have enjoyed trying to be creative and make you this birthday cake. So with love in my heart and flowers in your hair, enjoy this beautiful cake for your birthday. Now, as you know, the proof is in the tasting. Here we go. Oop. How's that for a nice slice? So here goes. Cutting into it now. I've got some chocolate and some green. My first mouthful. I definitely taste the chocolate. The butter filling's nice. I'll move up to blue and yellow. Nice too, very light. I'm keen to taste the red. Definitely has a fruity flavour. So now I've gone all the way up the scale, had all the tastes, and I must have a flour. Nice. I hope you enjoy your birthday cake too. Have fun. I'm going to have some more. My mother always said, don't speak with your mouth full. I just want to say thank you for allowing me to bake your birthday cake. Thank you so much. It's been an honour. Happy birthday!